Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get silica in Glam Magic Power. To achieve a truly glamorous and long-lasting finish, incorporating high-quality silica is essential. This mineral helps create a flawless look by minimizing shine and blurring imperfections. We'll explore the specific type of silica that delivers these magic power results, ensuring your cosmetic formulations or beauty routine benefits from its unique properties. Get ready to discover the secret to a truly radiant complexion. The only way to truly harness silica's glam magic power is by selecting the right type. Opt for cosmetic-grade amorphous silica, which is safe for topical application. Particle size is crucial. Aim for a range of 5 to 15 microns for optimal light diffusion and oil absorption without a chalky appearance. Always verify the purity of your silica source to avoid any unwanted additives or impurities that could compromise your desired glamorous outcome. To effectively integrate silica into your Glam Magic Power product, precise measurement is key. Start by adding silica at a concentration of 2% to 10% of your total formulation weight. For powders, blend it meticulously with other ingredients. If you're working with liquids, ensure it's well dispersed in the oil phase to prevent sedimentation. Thorough mixing guarantees a uniform product, delivering consistent magic results with every application. By correctly incorporating silica, you'll notice a significant improvement in your Glam Magic Power's performance. Expect extended makeup wear, often lasting up to 8 hours, and a noticeable reduction in the appearance of fine lines and pores. This single ingredient truly elevates your beauty routine, providing a flawless, airbrushed finish that feels lightweight and comfortable. For more tips and product recommendations, including where to find amazing deals, check the description below. And hey, while you're there, you might also find a link for Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.